follow him.
All right.
Afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Gray Shot Down. I got alongside me Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. Taking on a nice scenic country road drive. Enjoying full self-driving 11.4.4.
It says it's 25 through here.
Yeah, no.
First time for me on this road.
Yeah, this is a pretty road. Can you slow down a couple miles an hour so I can catch up to you? That works. Should be able to pick up the pace once I catch up to you, but just about a mile an hour slower. Thank you.
That's okay. It still thinks that it's 25 on this road.
No, the road's a little bit quicker than that, so we're just using our best judgment of what's safe.
Pull over.
No, it'd be perfectly fine. You can go back up to your normal speed.
Sorry, I don't like how it hugs the shoulder like that.
No worries. Just re-engage whenever you get a chance.
Boy, it's loving the shoulder today.
Yeah, it tends to hug it, doesn't it?
Not always.
I find it. I wonder if it's because the road's a little bit wider through here.
Maybe. I find it typically hugs the center.
Yeah.
Got about 2 miles left.
Sounds good. Can you drop your speed to 42? Perfect. just drop it to 40. Got a headwind I'm heading into.
Okay. Almost there.
Oh, no worries. Battery life, I'm fine. It's just
okay.
yeah, no, it's not that. You're getting away from me because I can't keep speed.
Yeah. Especially on the straightaways.
Yeah. The wind, I'm going straight into the wind.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. There's a nice backcountry road to do this on.
Not bothering anyone.
No, not at all. Pretty shot though. Jesus. How you doing?
Good. The heated seats help.
Yeah. I missed the air-cooled seats in the S.
You know, I never use those.
Oh my god, I use them all the time.
I think I only used them once, and it was the day that you had to change cards with me, and I came out because I didn't pre-condition the car or whatever.
Yeah.
And so it was hot seats, and so I put that on, and I was like, oh.
I'm spoiled in that car. That car is amazing.
It's 94 out, and I'm using the heated seats. Got about a little over 3/4 mile.
Yeah, I see where it turns out. It's the nice thing about leaving the map half open on this, that you and I can see what's going on.
Yep.
And stay in constant communication.
Woo.
Woot woot. Constant communication for the win.
Stady.
Out trying to catch people on the highway.
Yep.
Yeah, oh yeah, they're on the left. This is a cool grain mill here on the right. Grain mill, right?
I think that's what it is.
I think it would be.
Yeah.
I don't know. Comment down below. Grain mill, right? Question mark?
Alright, coming up to stop sign. Taking a right turn. Coming in hot to the stop sign.
Yeah, no kidding. I realized
Sorry,
this
I don't
was
like how close it's getting to the curb. Or the shoulder.
Well, even though this drive may have not been disengagement free, it was still pretty, and it was still nice and comfortable on full self-driving 11.4.4.
And technically it was like a comfort thing.
Yeah, exactly. It was just, you took over for comfort reasons, which is fine. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.